this is the plus sign. I'm going to draw one curvy line, or you can say a smiley face over here. And then I'm going to draw a smiley both sides. And from here I'm going to start another curvy line. It will go exactly same place. Now inside I'm going to do tongue over here, kind of like alphabet W upside down or M. One dot here and one dot other side of the line, and one sad face on the top. Now I'm going to draw eyes over here and here. As much as big eye you want to draw, you can draw very close to this one. So I will start from here, and then I'm going to draw a circle shape. Same thing I will do from this side. Now from here I will do another curvy line. Now I'm going to pull this one straight over here. If you want circle one, you can keep it that way, and from here I will do a smiley here. One curvy line on the top of this one and one curvy line on the top of this one. Now I'm going to draw one line here and one line this side, and from here, if I'm going on the top of these curvy lines, that's totally fine. And I will do one big curve here. Now I'm going to do doubles. And then I'm going to do one more line over here. Now I'm going to do alphabet V here, here, and this side. And then I will curve this one. Now I'm going to draw some lines. Don't make it dark because maybe we are going to erase them. So let me erase my guideline over here. Now we can start a curvy line for the face. And one huge chin over here. Now from here I'm going to draw one curvy line this side, and same thing I will do on this side. One curvy line and one curvy line going down. From here to here I will draw a line. On the top of this line I'm going to draw one big drop here, another drop here, and one more drop here. I'm curving this one a little bit this side. If you don't want to, you can keep it drop shape. Now I'm going to pull these lines a little bit down here, and from here I'm going to do some alphabet V randomly. Now I will start from here, and also I will do the random V. all the way up here. Now from here to here, and you can pull this one here to here, a big circle or ellipse shape. And we can draw some lines over here. So still we didn't finish this line over here, so we can connect all the way to this zigzag line.